Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, the 11th of July 2022. Now before I go into the trading ideas, I'd just like to tell you that we are currently running an Independence Day sale on my website, which means that you can get my best educational and indicator packs 50% discounted. So this applies to the order flow pack, which you can get in here, and also to the elite pack, which you can get in here. So let me just real quickly click this trading course and tool button and scroll down a bit. This is the elite pack, and right there this is a video which shows everything that's included in the elite pack. In short, it is a 15-hour long video course on trading with volume profile, my personal trading levels, which you'll be getting every day. Those are day trading levels as well as swing trading levels. And then the pack also includes my custom-made volume profile indicators and a couple of bonuses. Now at the top of that, there's also a free tech support, which means that our team will set up your platform for you with all the indicators, all workspaces. They'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do that all for free, as that's a part of the elite pack. So yeah, that's about the elite pack and that Independence Day sale. And let's now switch over to the charts and let's talk about the trading ideas. So what you see before you is the first trading idea, which is on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. What you're looking at is a 30-minute chart, and what I wanted to show you in here is this significant zone, which is at 0.6582 right there. And it is a significant zone because strong uptrend started from there. And not only that, but if you use volume profile like this over that strong trend area, then you can see that this was also a heavy volume area. And this is telling us that buyers who are building up their long positions to start this uptrend were building up those positions right there. So this is an important place for those buyers, for those aggressive buyers, and because it is an important place for them, they're likely to defend it when the price makes a pullback into this area again. So when there's a pullback at some point in the future, it's likely that this will work as a support, that the buyers from here will want to defend this heavy volume zone and push the price upwards from there again, right? So that's the strong support on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. And let me now switch over to another trading idea, and the next one will be the Swiss franc Japanese yen. So right now the chart before you is a 30-minute chart of the Swiss franc Japanese yen, and what I want to talk about in here is a resistance level, strong resistance in here at 140.84. Oh, it says long, but it should say short. Let me fix that real quick. All right, so here we go, 140.84, strong resistance. And the reasoning behind this resistance is a setup which I call the trend setup. It is a setup that I use with volume profile. And what you want to do is when there's a trend like this one, you want to use the volume profile to look into the volume distribution within the downtrend. And what you want to look for are significant volume clusters that haven't been tested yet, like this one, right? The price was going downwards, then there was a little rotation, and in this rotation there were those heavy volumes, this heavy volume cluster. From there the price continued to go downwards, and this is telling us that the sellers who are pushing the price downwards in here were adding to their shorts right there, and then the price continued to fall downwards, so they pushed the price downwards from there. And this is an important zone for them because they placed a lot of their shorts here, right? We can see that on the volume profile. So that's why this should work as a strong resistance, and when the price makes it back to this resistance, the sellers from this place should start defending this place, and they should push the price downwards from there again, right? It is an important zone for them. By the way, if you stretch the volume profile over the whole week area, like this, then you can see that it's also a very significant volume zone, also from the bigger perspective. All right. You can also see that on the weekly volume profile. Let me just delete this flexible profile and the gray one that remains. That's the weekly volume profile. And this is the significant volume zone, right? And it adds strength to that resistance. I mean, because it is nicely visible on the weekly volume profile, it adds strength to that resistance, right? So yeah, that's about the Swiss franc Japanese yen. And let's now go and have a look at the next trading idea, which will be on the Euro Australian dollar. So this is the Euro Australian dollar 30-minute chart. And what I want to talk about in here is this resistance, which is at 1.5011. This is based on a setup which I call the volume accumulation setup. And what you want to see in here is basically a rotation from which significant trend activity starts, like in here. In that rotation, what usually happens is that strong sellers are building up their short positions. In this case, it's sellers because the price went downwards from this little rotation, right? And those volumes, those are the trades which they placed there. And it is an important zone for them because they placed a lot of their shorts there, and from there they pushed the price downwards. But this zone is the most important for them. And for that reason, they're likely to defend it when there is a pullback in the future, right? So if there is a pullback in the future to this zone, that it's likely that sellers from this place will want to defend this zone, defend their shorts which they placed in here, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again, right? So that's the volume accumulation setup. It is one of my favorite volume profile setups. So yeah, that's about that. That's about the trading ideas. I hope you guys liked the video. And the last thing that I'd like to do before I wrap this video up is announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was a volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube. And next week, I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. All right? So that's about that. That's about the contest, and that's also about the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy trading.